Okay, so I have a question paper here that I want us to do or to use. So we're just gonna go step by step on the question paper. Okay, so the first thing that I want us to take note is that is the font. So if you can read here, please note it is recommended that you use Korean New size 12. Okay, what is Korean New size 12? Korean New is a font. Okay, so where do we get this font? We get it here under the home tab, under the font ribbons. Okay, so what you can see, where you see Calibri is a font. So if you look on the drop down arrow, if you click on the drop down arrow, it's gonna show you a whole lot of different fonts. But the question paper said we must use what? Korean New. So you can scroll to look for Korean New. We're scrolling, we're looking for Korean New. There's Korean New. The size should be size 12. Then you are covered. So this is how you change the font and the font size. Okay, I hope this was helpful.